Good day. Today, I will show you how PX Kiosk feature works. Upon requesting for the kiosk feature, a link for your clinic will be created and will be handed over to you. This link can be accessed in your clinic's kiosk for patients. The login credentials being asked on the screen will be the same credentials you use for your practice management software. Upon logging in, you will now see the list of patients who have appointments. It will display their initials and the date and time of their appointment. Once the patient arrives at the clinic, they can just walk up to your clinic's kiosk and check in so that the staff will be notified. Once the patient checked in, their status on your practice management software changes to arrived. And that is it. That is how the PatientXpress Kiosk feature works. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.